And look, Lillian's got her baby on the back of her head. She's carrying her baby around. Are you rocking your baby? Lillian, are you rocking your baby, honey? Wee, wee, Tigger. Wee. Hello, all you monkey lovers. That was Gracie that you were looking at. There is Lillian destroying the banana toothbrush. She chewed the whole end off of it. And Lillian is not wearing a diaper. She took it off earlier, and I came in here to put it back on her. And she's staying up on the ropes. She says, I don't want to wear a diaper. But she hasn't used the restroom in the floor, so we're good so far. And I keep a blanket on their floor in case they do get their diaper off, and also because I feed them in here as well. But this is one of the rugs that we use for the girls. It's my favorite rug, actually. It's so colorful and pretty. What you see, well, Ava almost got one. These things right here, these are monkey biscuits. And they just had a huge bowl full of mangoes. Anyway, we haven't filmed in a while, you guys. We've had a lot of comments asking where we've been. And Billy and I have been filming for about 5.5 years. And so we just kind of took a little break, and we got some things done around here, and I'm going to show you what we've done here in just a minute. That's Gracie jumping on the camera. And yeah, there she is. And I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. It is just right around the corner. And if you are looking for a last-minute gift, Gracie, what are you doing? Then y'all need to swing over to Amazon. If you're new to my channel, I have coloring books of the girls. While Lillian destroys her toy up there, I'm going to show you guys what we've been doing. So here we go. There is Gracie and Ava and Lillian. Look at all this stuff on the ground. Yeah. Billy, and look at that trailer full of stuff. So we got a lot to clean up now. But so Billy had to get up here, and for over a week he has been working on this. Let me get over here and see if we can. Yep, he had to replace all this wood. He had to lift up the center of the carport because it was having a problem. And we put some poles there to brace it because I don't know who built this shed, but boy, they could have done it better, huh?
They did built it in an odd way. But we got it now, though. And there wasn't that much wood. It's just some that he didn't build it right, and I wanted to tear it off and build it right.
So that's what Billy has been doing. And he's been staying so busy with that. And let me show you what I've been doing, because I was commissioned to make some crafts for Christmas from someone. And so let me show you what I've been doing real quick. Okay, so I was making a lot of these gingerbread men and lollipops and cotton candy and things, and I was commissioned by someone to make 8 of these. So these 2 up here aren't finished yet, But I got this one completely together. And I think they turned out really pretty. My mom helped me make all of these things. And then we had to put them in the little buckets. And I have to make those bows. And also here are some of the lollipops that we've made. Some cake pops and lollipops. But it was good taking a little bit of a break and getting some things done. And this next year we should really be putting out a lot of videos. So y'all make sure to subscribe. And our channel has grown slowly, but it is steadily growing. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and support our channel. I enjoy filming, and that is a free way to help me out. Just click on that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. That's Ava right there. Ava! And today we also took the girls out to play in their outdoor pen. Oh look, Gracie and Lillian are playing right there. Lillian thinks the water's on. Look at her. She's like, why isn't that squirting water? We do let them play freely sometimes in the front yard, and when we go to our land, we let them play freely. No leash or restrictions. So I will put a link at the end of this video and show y'all the girls. We took them on a picnic out at the land. If y'all would like to see that, the link will be at the end of this video. And Lillian is steadily tearing all the stuffing out of that toy. It's snowing. Ava, you got some snow? She's helping Lillian. Yes, it's snowing in here. So the girls have a full tummy. Look at you. You're so silly. That's Gracie again. She loves Mom. She thinks she's the cameraman. Okay, let go. And Ava is everybody's girl. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. I love you. She's so precious. And Lillian, she's a mama's girl. Now, I think Gracie is more of a daddy's girl, but Gracie loves me too. Yes, her does. Oh, my goodness. You're so silly. And I always call her my little clown because she is hilarious. She never stops playing. She is so funny, you guys. And she makes the funniest noises. Well, Lillian decided to come down and play, just to come get the banana toothbrush. She's afraid I'm going to put her diaper on her. But this is what it's like hanging out with the girls. Now they're getting playful. That was Lillian and Ava. Ava is wearing the purple diaper cover. That's Lillian and Ava. Ava's a tough little rascal. She said, "You talking about me?" "Yes, I'm talking about you." "Hi, sweetie." There they go. That's the little swing that when they were little babies, I would put them in and turn it on and just let it rock when I was cleaning house or whatever. Because if they were not on me, I wanted them to keep experiencing movement. So that's why I bought that. And also that one there, that one's really cool. It does all kinds of movements, up and down, sideways. It spins, not all the way around, but rocks them, goes back and forth. It's really pretty cool. And look, Lillian's got her baby on the back of her head. She's carrying her baby around. Are you rocking your baby? Lillian, are you rocking your baby, honey? Is that your baby, Lillian? What a pretty baby. Lillian has a pretty baby. Good job, Gracie. And she's rocking her baby. She's a good mama. Lillian? Is that your baby, Lillian? She also treats Ava like a baby. That's Ava right there. Say Ava's name. She says, "You talking about me? You talking about me? You are so pretty. You are so pretty, Ava. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I love you. You're so cute." Oh my goodness, she said, "Play, Mom." Yeah. Yeah. Ava. You're so precious, honey. Yes, you are. You're so precious. You're so precious. I'm going to bring them some nuts and oats in here in a few minutes. And people have asked if it hurts them when we hold them by the tail. But I'm going to replay that right there. You will see that they hang by their tails. They have prehensile tails. So check it out. Here it is. I'm going to bring them some nuts and oats in here in a few minutes. So you can see how strong their tails are. Look at that, girl. You have a strong tail. My goodness. Me raising cats and dogs and doing our animal rescue with the cats and dogs and everything else we had. Owls, birds, everything. Squirrels, raccoons we've rescued. A possum. So I always thought that I didn't realize how strong a monkey's tail was because I associated it with like the tail of a dog or a cat. But it's nothing like a dog or a cat tail at all. You're so pretty, Gracie. You're such a pretty little girl. Wee, wee, Tigger. Wee. She's so hilarious. I can't help but laugh every time I come in here. You're so funny. Whee! Whoop! That sounded terrible. That's Gracie there. Let's see what Gracie does. And there they go. Ava, you're a tough little girl. Gracie and Lillian argue sometimes, but I guess that's to be expected because they're because Gracie's so active and she tries to hang with Lillian, and so they kind of bump heads sometimes. But Ava's the baby, and everybody spoils Ava. Ava. Oh my goodness. Well, anyway, guys, we have missed y'all so much, and I'm so glad to be putting a video out. And I appreciate all of your well wishes and people wondering where we've been. Thank you for that and for your concern. And we love y'all so much. And we hope y'all have a wonderful Christmas. And don't forget to go grab you a coloring book of the girls and give that to someone special. And it's a gift that keeps on giving, because not only do they get to color their pictures, that's Gracie jumping on me, but they also get to watch their videos. So it's a cool gift to give. And we hope y'all have a super awesome day today. And I will be filming again very, very soon. Yeah, so we're going to film again very soon. Goodbye.